Thanks for doing this. No, yes.
The question recurs on the request of the House to return the papers. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. The ayes appear to have it. The ayes do have it. The request is agreed to.
Madam President.
Senator from Washington.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, I come to the floor tonight to urge my colleagues to vote here in a minute to confirm Dr. Robert Califf to serve as Commissioner of the Food and Drug Administration. He was confirmed to this role previously with strong bipartisan support. I hope to see that again this evening. At this critical moment, we need a trusted hand to lead the FDA, and Dr. Califf's previous service in this role, his career as one of the nation's leading research scientists, give him the experience to take on this challenge. Families across the country count on the Food and Drug Administration every day to follow the science and the data and keep them safe. And COVID-19 has put its work in the spotlight like never before. This pandemic has been incredibly hard on our nation. It has killed over 900,000 Americans. And throughout this crisis, as people have sought to keep their families safe, they have looked to the FDA and depended on the tireless work of FDA scientists to confirm the safety and effectiveness of treatments and vaccines, ensure we have high-quality masks, review tests to make sure they give us accurate results, and more. And parents across the country are continuing to wait anxiously for FDA to greenlight safe, effective vaccines for kids under 5, something I know we all want to see as quickly as the science allows. But while the COVID-19 pandemic remains one of the most urgent challenges we face, there are countless other ways FDA works that matters to families. Every day, people put the well-being of themselves, their families, and even their pets in FDA's hands. When we sit down for a meal, we count on FDA's efforts to ensure the safety of our food supply and provide us with the information we need to make healthy choices. When we get our prescriptions filled or rely on medical devices to stay healthy, we count on the FDA's work to uphold the gold standard of safety and effectiveness. The FDA needs strong leadership to continue that work and to address other pressing challenges. Challenges like the opioid crisis, which recently claimed over 100,000 lives in a year. That is a new record. Challenges like youth tobacco use. According to the CDC, 2 million of our youth use e-cigarettes. Challenges like antimicrobial resistance, which could make common procedures more dangerous by making current infection treatments ineffective. Challenges like skyrocketing drug costs and pharmaceutical companies who game the FDA approval system to keep more affordable drugs off the market, and challenges like improving health equity. I've repeatedly raised the need for FDA to improve diversity in clinical trials, because when women or people of color or others are left out of
Senator will
clinical
suspend.
trials,
The Senate will come to order.
this undermines people's health by delaying information they and their healthcare providers need to understand how a treatment will affect them specifically. For example, whether it's safe during pregnancy, and by making it hard to identify differences in the safety and effectiveness of treatments for those populations. As the hard-working staff at the FDA continues to tackle these challenges, they deserve a Senate-confirmed leader with experience on these issues to lead those efforts. Dr. Califf worked on these challenges before when he was previously confirmed to lead FDA in an overwhelming bipartisan vote, and he demonstrated in his hearing with the HELP Committee that he's ready to take them on again and return as commissioner. So I urge all of my colleagues to join me in voting to confirm Dr. Califf and working with him to ensure the FDA continues to protect our families, uphold the gold standard of safety and effectiveness, and put science and data first. Thank you, Madam President. I yield the floor.
The clerk will report the motion to invoke cloture.
Cloture motion. We, the undersigned senators, in accordance with the provisions of Rule 22 of the Standing Rules of the Senate, do hereby